Flood warning in effect from this evening to tomorrow morning. What? Minor flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Red Clay Creek at Wooddale. When? From this evening to tomorrow morning. Impacts. At 5.5 feet, flooding begins in adjacent open fields. At 7.5 feet, Barley Mill Road begins to flood. Brandywine Springs Park floods. At 8.5 feet, flooding begins near Old Capitol Trail and Newport Road. Additional details. At 9:45 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 7.0 feet. Recent activity. The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 9:45 p.m. Saturday was 7.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 9.0 feet late this evening. It will then fall to 3.4 feet on Sunday. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.0 feet on January 19, 1996. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In Delaware, Newcastle. In New Jersey, Salem. When? Until 4 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs along tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. At 10 p.m.